The Food Service Exchange presents.
In this video, we'll walk you through the process of replacing a worn or damaged gasket on your Beverage Air refrigerator or freezer. Begin by removing the old gasket. Firmly grasp the upper corner and pull diagonally away from the door. Once the gasket is removed, check the gasket tracks for any debris left behind. Next, inspect the new gasket. If the new gasket is warped, soak it in warm water for 5 minutes to make it more pliable. Starting in the upper corner, snap the new gasket into the track. Once the gasket dart is started in the corner, continue popping the gasket in for the remainder of the door. Pushing firmly should suffice, but you may need to tap the gasket with the palm of your hand. Once installed, check to make sure all 4 sides of the gasket are sealed to the unit. If you have any questions about this procedure, please contact Tech Service at 1-800-684-1199. Thank you for watching and for choosing Beverage Air, your complete refrigeration source.